Hey everyone, I'm going to do some flip cups today, and I think I'm going to do 4 little ones. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some little cups, and I will spray them with the WD-40 silicone spray so all the paint comes out. So I have some cool colors here. I'm mixing it up with craft paint. Because, as a lot of you know, I'm still working with about 60 bottles sitting over there, and I'm just trying to use them up a little bit. But I still buy the metallics because I love the metallics. But we are going to use black and white with these colors. So I want you to watch how I layer, I guess. So I'm going to start with the black. And next to the black, I'm going to go ahead and use this Lucas Mauve. That's going to be our depth in our canvas, in our painting. And then next to that, I'm going to go ahead and add the Naples yellow, and we make it a little orange hue along with this because of the mauve. So that'll give us another whole color, entirely different. It might be a bright magenta as well. So I'm going to break that up with some Craft Smart Midnight Blue. It's a metallic. So there's my dark contrast. So now I'm going to take a little bit of white and I'm going to push it down through just to break all of that up. And then I'm going to start with the phthalo green blue. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to go the opposite way now. So I'm going to start with the lighter color. And this is Craft Smart Ocean Breeze. Follow that with the Craft Smart Metallic Native Turquoise. So we'll definitely have some aqua in this painting. And then the metallic, actually let me go Soho Phthalo Green Blue. And then the metallic Cobalt Blue hue. Then I'm going to take some white again. I'm going to layer a little bit on the top. And then I'm going to go back and shove it down in. These out of the way. So we're just going to go flippy. Okay, I'm hoping I have enough paint. I should be alright. So I'm just going to flip these on the canvas, and I'm probably going to make a mess. Okay. So we shouldn't have to wait too long, because I did spray those cups this time and did not forget. Like a sore thumb, isn't she? That's okay. So definitely our last colors in are prominent. let's move it around and see what pops up. So I'm going to get just a little torch just to pop some air bubbles and help those cells up. And we'll start tilting. So let's go this way first. All my paint is in the middle. Definitely had enough paint. Yeah, we're probably going to have to pour some of that off because I think that's just too in your face. Let's get rid of some of that. Still have a lot of paint on here, so I still want to pour some more off. I'm just rocking it just a little bit. I love that bunch of cells in the middle. But nothing's jiving in here at all. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that light off. This is where I'm glad I had a lot of paint. Because I love this. So let's see if we can get rid of some of this without stretching too much. I don't like that mauve in there. I knew better. Y'all know how I am about reds and pinks. It looks like a bird. There's the beak and the head and the poofaloopa on top. You think? I think it looks like a bird. Turn it around towards me and look at it. Yeah, I'm not liking it at all. So, when I don't like something, I either scrape or I pour over. So what we're going to do is pour over. So we're going to do a dirty pour over. And I'm not going to use the mop this time because I really don't like that gray tint they got in there. So I'm going to take a cup, spray it. Turquoise. A darker phthalo green. The midnight blue. We're going to use most of this painting as the background. I kind of like that band, so we should be able to keep that. So most what I have in my cup now is black, so we're just going to do a tiny little ribbon up here, and that should be good. I'm going to stretch this all out. bird. So you can save a border, guys. Don't be afraid to add some ribbons and stretch them out. Let's see if anything's going to come up through that black. Nothing. Nothing. So, what do we do next? The one thing that I hate the most. Swipe it. So we'll go ahead, that has silicone, don't want that one, want this one. We're just going to add a few more lines of color. That should be good. Load up our top with black. Make sure it goes over. I like to use acetate paper. Oh my goodness. So I will use this to pull. Pulling the little edge over so the paint will go. Not worried about this. And we'll use this as a background for another painting. Unless it dries really pretty, and we'll leave it just the way it is. I don't normally have good luck with swipes, so I'm kind of in shock right now because I did get a good result. So it's blowing my mind a little. Not really. Okay, let me torch her. That is going to be it. So we took a flip cup disaster, a dirty cup rescue that did not work, and turned it into a swipe that looks pretty good. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with me on Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, and get your Stone Coat Art Coat resin. Codes are below, links are below. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.